Hello, and welcome to section 2, where we talk about sketch introduction. This section is designed to teach you how to create sketch in SolidWorks, and it is broken down into 3 categories. First, we will learn how to start a sketch on a sketch plane. Then we will learn how to create various objects such as line, rectangles, circles, slots, arc, polygon, spline, and ellipse on our sketch plane. In this section, we will also look at some rules to follow when creating sketch in SolidWorks. Then we will talk about what an undefined sketch is, and we will learn how to use dimensions and relations to fully define our sketch. This section also covers various topics such as how to modify our sketch, and we will look at the various sketch modification tools such as Fillet, Chamfer, Trim, Extend, Offset, and Mirror. There are also quizzes in this section to test your knowledge. And finally, we will learn how to move, copy, rotate, scale, and stretch sketch entities in SolidWorks. So with that said, I will conclude this video here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.